Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve exited account, you should just go to settings on WhatsApp app. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of WhatsApp and we click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then we can don't click clear data because that can delete your data and can cause you errors. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.